The new Ricoh ProL5100e Latex series is a hugely flexible and innovative addition to Ricoh's evolving sign and display portfolio. Available in two print sizes, 1.3 and 1.6 meters wide. On the new ProL5100e, E means extended gamut. The addition of orange and green gives the user the ability to achieve tricky corporate spot colors and to expand application capabilities. It now offers three ink configurations: dual CMYK, CMYK plus white, and the new CMYK orange and green. Let me highlight a few of the benefits of the new Ricoh ProL5100e Latex series. Low print temperatures at an average of 60 degrees lowers energy consumption and allows the use of a range of media. Our white latex inks enables the option of window graphic applications on clear media. In addition, thanks to 3 Ricoh Gen 5 printheads, the printer can achieve productivity speeds of up to 46 square meters per hour in 6 passes. The use of variable drop size technology improves print quality and reduces ink consumption. With the new roll media system, we can handle rolls of up to 55 kilograms in either a 2 or 3-inch core. The colorimetric sensor automatically calibrates alignments and media feed settings. Finally, the new Ricoh auto cleaning and maintenance system eliminates the need for daily operator maintenance. This exciting new printer comes bundled with ColorGate RIP software, which will improve workflow efficiency and color quality. The brand new ProL5100e Latex series, flexible, productive, and innovative.